All right, today we're going to do a couple things with this raw file in the latest version of Lightroom. The first thing we're going to do, let's check out this file. I took this one in Paris, France at the Louvre, ISO 116mm f4, and we're going to take a look at the masking tool and check that out. And first we're going to apply a preset to this. So what I've done here is I've boosted up the exposure to 1.45, just something to bring up some of the light. And let's check out our free preset. So here we have before and there's after. So it gives it a really nice mood, before, after, but we're going to keep going with this photo. So give that a click and apply that. And there we go. Looks really nice off the top. So now I'm going to click this side panel and we're going to take a look at the masks here. So the first thing I want to do, click this button here, and that opens up our mask menu. And you can do a lot of cool things in here. So let's start with the select sky. This is where Lightroom is going to detect the sky and apply this red mask over top. So you can see right here, if you unclick that, that gets rid of that. And there you can see there's our mask right there. So I'm going to unclick that so we can see what's happening. And now I'm going to boost up the temperature and give the sky a little bit more of a tint, quite a bit right there, and dehaze it just a bit more, just to bring some more depth. So you can keep going with this and add another mask. Let's go with linear gradient. I don't really need it, but let's show you guys what we can do. So I'm going to do this. And let's do one more mask. I'm going to do a radial gradient. And we're going to focus on the center here. And right off the top, get rid of that red mask. It'll only adjust to see the center there, and I don't want that. So what you can do with that is you can go to Invert. There you see the red mask is now on the outside. That means the application is going to be on the outer edge. So I'm going to undo that and maybe bring down that so our focal point is more of this pyramid right here. And I'm going to reduce the saturation on the edge and the contrast just to soften it up so it's not too harsh and over processed there. And what I'm going to do here is remove all the masks so we can see before. So there's without any of our masks, and there's after. So it does add a subtle touch to it, but it's nice. You can really fine tune and adjust your photo. And let's do one more thing. I'm going to crop this image. Let's go right here, and I'm going to give it a 16:9 crop, just so we can focus in here. And let's go done. Now we can take a look at before and after. So I'm going to the creative flow. I'm just going to hit the reset here. There's our before, and there's after. Before, after. Really beautiful edit. Nice colors. You can see that in the sky, what we were going for. And there we go. So that was a quick look using the new Lightroom masking tool, and you can download the free preset. If you go to presetpro.com, go to free and check out new presets, and you'll see this one here. And if you guys are looking for something a little more advanced, check out the Creative Flow. It has 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,100 Lightroom profiles.